Can you guess what this particular image is? Think about it. This is actually an image of two bones, and on these two bones there are very fine lines which are drawn. And you know what? This is very closely connected to counting, mathematics, and measurement. So let me tell you what I wrote about this in a recent essay which I wrote. Counting has played a critical role in human life for a long time. In fact, we use fingers as counting devices, and this has been a very powerful tool for a significant period. So much so that it has been utilized to keep a tally of small numbers, which can be counted and analyzed in everyday life. Interestingly, as the numbers became larger, one had to externalize the counting process, and in ancient times, people had very creative methods to count objects. One of the fascinating aspects of counting was to use bones. Yes, bones were used as platforms on which marks were created, and these marks were utilized as counts in a tally. One of the pieces of evidence of such behavior was found in Congo Basin in a place called Ishango. The bones that were found are dated around 9000 BCE to 6500 BCE. Can you believe it? On which marks have been identified that looks like counts registered on the platform. Indeed, it is quite fascinating to see how people used various devices to enumerate objects. It's quite remarkable, right? Because it's kind of very surprising to see how people can really innovate, and we're talking about thousands of years from this particular date, and people were trying to understand how to utilize natural resources, and they used bones. Why bones? Obviously, bones are very hard, and they also are reasonably sturdy, and also an important aspect is that you can crave things on it. So it should be both kind of durable and also malleable. So there's a very interesting material property also related to bones which have been utilized in such kind of situations. There are so many ways in which people innovated about this, and that's another reason why global history of physics is quite fascinating. And linked is the essay to that particular history which I wrote. This is the essay number 3, and I do discuss about maths, mechanics, and Eureka. Do check it out. And second aspect is, do subscribe to our channel if you have not yet, so that we can reach to as many people as possible to communicate the fascinating history of physics.